Okay, well, welcome back. Today we're going to take some notes on adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. So if you'll take a look at the picture over on the top right-hand corner of your notes, you see that the numerator depicts the selected slice of pizza, whereas the denominator represents the total number of slices in the whole pizza. So keep that in mind as we work today. The instructions say shade each circle to match the number sentence below. Use this model as you work the problem. Okay, so we're going to shade the fraction 1/2. So we're going to cut our pizza into 2 slices, and we're going to shade one of those pieces. So that's the fraction 1/2. Our second fraction is the fraction 3/4. So we're going to cut our pizza into 4 slices, and we're going to shade how many? Right, 3 of those. So shade in 3 of those pieces of pizza. Okay, good. So when we add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators, our first step is to stack them. Okay, just like you would stack pizza boxes at Pizza Hut, we want to stack those pizzas one on top of the other. We've got our 1/2 and our 3/4, one on top of the other. You don't want to keep them side by side. Step 2, okay, is to find a common denominator. And how we do that is we find what's called the least common denominator, and we'll abbreviate it LCD, least common denominator. And we want to just do the multiples of 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and so on. And the multiples of 4, of course, are 4. 4 times 2 is 8, 12, 16, and we can stop right there. So do you see the least common multiple of 2 and 4? Right, it's 4. That will be what we use as our least common denominator. So what happened is Pizza Hut kind of messed up our order. They sliced one pizza only into 2 slices, and they sliced another pizza into 4. So we need to slice those the same. And how we slice pizza is by finding equivalent fractions. So we're going to find equivalent fractions. Okay? And what we'll do to find equivalent fractions is we multiply. And I kind of think of these time signs as my pizza cutters. And the rule is whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So we want to get our denominator, or our pizzas, both pizzas, to 4 slices. So I know 2 times 2 is 4. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. 1 times 2 is 2. Ta-da! That one is now sliced into 4 slices. This one already was, so I'm just going to times it by 1, top and bottom. Now, once they have a common denominator, our step 4 is to just add or subtract. And let's come back up to our picture and we'll take a look at what we did. What we did is we took our 1/2, our pizza that was cut into 1/2, and we cut that in half again. We multiplied it by 2. So go ahead and draw a line across that 1/2 pizza. Okay, just like so. And you can see that our one big slice became 2 slices, just as represented in our numerator down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that. 2 plus 3 is 5 out of 4. And we'll count the piece of pizza we ate. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Okay, but each pizza is cut into 4 slices. So our last step is to make it proper. Okay, right now our fraction is improper, it's top heavy, and to simplify or reduce. Okay, make proper and simplify. So how we do that, we can divide. We put our 5 under the house and our 4 outside of the house. And I know 4 goes into 5 one time. And I have 1 remainder. That's going to go on the top. And our our divisor over here is what our fraction becomes. So we ate 1 whole and 1/4 pieces of pizza. Okay, and that's all there is to it.